Hi, and welcome to Deel. We're so excited to have you on board. In this video, we're going to take you through some key information that is specific to your onboarding as a UK employee. We'll be covering topics including your proof of work, your tax documents, your bank account details, and your pension. When going through your onboarding checklist on the Deel platform, you will be asked to provide documents to confirm your proof of work eligibility in the UK. If you are a UK citizen, please upload a copy of your UK passport. This should be open on the photo page, clearly showing the details. If you are a non-UK citizen, please upload a copy of your UK government share code. To obtain your share code, please visit the View and Prove Your Immigration Status page on the government website. You will also be asked to provide a tax document in order for our payroll team to correctly onboard you onto our payroll system. Please upload either a P45 or a HMRC starter checklist. You should upload a P45 if you have one that is dated within the last 3 months and is within the current tax year. The tax year runs from the 6th of April to the 5th of April. To obtain a P45, you must retrieve this from your previous employer. If you do not have a P45 or you do not have a P45 that meets the requirements just outlined, you should upload a HMRC starter checklist instead. To obtain a HMRC starter checklist, please visit the Starter Checklist for PAYE page on the government website. As you are a UK employee, you must have a UK bank account set up in order to receive your salary. We are unable to pay your salary into a non-UK bank account. Please ensure you provide details of your UK bank account, including your account number and sort code. As a UK employee, you will be automatically enrolled into our pension scheme with Penfold. The statutory minimum rate of employee pension contributions is 5% of your monthly salary, whilst the statutory rate of employer pension contributions is 3%. If you would like to increase your pension contribution percentage, you can do so via the Penfold app. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about your onboarding at Deel. We hope you found it useful.